Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the MAC address check using the IMEI number of your Samsung Galaxy A35. Okay, to perform the extended MAC address check of your Samsung Galaxy A35, you gotta visit our page, IMEI.info, and now in the search box you gotta enter your IMEI number of your Samsung. To check it, open up the phone app and then type asterisk #06 and hashtag. Now we have our IMEI, we gotta copy it, we gotta type it, and then click on check. As you can see, the Galaxy A35 has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks, and in here we have MAC address check. Simply click on that, keep scrolling down, and now in this text box we gotta enter our true MAC address of our Samsung. To check what is your your MAC address, open up the settings on your phone, keep scrolling down all the way, then go to About Phone, then Status Information, and in here we have Phone Wi-Fi MAC address. We gotta now enter this address in the search box, so enter it. Okay, and then click on check. Oh, I missed one. I missed two numbers. And now we have the result for our MAC address. Extended information about your device MAC address. There are also 10 random MAC addresses for this brand. And in here we have all the informations, including the random MAC addresses that we can copy. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.